And you could see here, if we did something like separate workers into quintiles, we could see who is benefiting lately from this surge in pay. Now, what do I mean by quintiles? Well, let's go back to Lightboard to demonstrate this. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to bring in that graphic I just showed you in my PowerPoint. I'm going to put it right over here. Let me make it a little bit smaller. A little bit smaller. Move it. Okay, perfect. Okay, so I've got the graphic right over here. And what I'm doing is I'm separating workers into quintiles. If I had this nice little line right here, and I had highest paid workers over here and lowest paid workers over here, and I could separate them into first, second, third, and fourth. So worker, 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 worker. And you can see here, this group of workers, they have the highest wages. And you can see by the graphic that we have here that during the latest data around early part of this year, we're seeing the growth in the lowest group of workers, this fourth quintile right here. And that's showing the biggest growth in wages. So for the first time in a while, the people at the low end of the wage ladder are actually doing better than the people at the upper part of the wage ladder. And that's a nice change.